update. The royal jelly representative will call tomorrow.
Why are you phoning? Where are you?
In my room. Doing my filing. I'm not hiding from you.
You're not hiding from me.
Of course not. Where did you get that idea? If you impress the jelly representative, they'll approve you for the royal jelly blobs at Jellysania.
You're saying jelly a lot. Wait. You mean audition? You are hiding from me.
It's a great opportunity, and it's the rules.
Me? Nova Jones, audition for jelly? You're deliberately avoiding being here so you can't see my angry but breathtaking showbiz face.
No, just... Oh, hang on. Speaker not working.
But I am scared of jelly. There's no way I can do the audition or Jellysania. But you're Nova Jones. You should be scared of anything. Well, exactly, Wait, what, Blop? Hi. I'm Avon. As in, Nova spelt backwards. A-V-O-N. Avon. It's Avon. The Space Fair mirror. Careful. You don't want to get sucked into the mirror world. I'm joking. That's not possible. So, are you really, really famous here or what? I usually had about 10 more reelies. Are you not famous? No, I'm your reflection. Some stuff the same, some totally opposite. Opposite how? Like, what number am I thinking of? One. Because why would you think of any number that isn't number one? Salad. Terrible or tasty? Totally tasty. What's your best selfie face? What's your fave thing to do when bored? Shout my sister's name really loud? Same. Johnnicky. Rubbish or radical? Okay, enough of that. I think it's time these twinnies had some fun.